everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing this Peacock look, but we're going to start out by cleaning our brushes. I am going to get in the habit of cleaning my brushes. Like, I've been so slack, but we're going to be taking this gorgeous eBay 180 palette, and we're going to start out with the purple from the palette, and then we're going to be using the purple as the outer V shade, actually the crease shade, sorry. We're going to be taking the purple and use it as crease shade and blending it into the crease. So basically with the crease shade, I'm going to be taking it right at the bridge of the brow bone and also bring it out into the outer V, and making sure that whenever you apply it to the bridge of the brow bone, you don't be too heavy with it. You be just a little bit light, and then you just drag it right back up. This same exact palette, I'm going to be taking this NYX blending brush, and I'm going to be applying this pink shade up under the purple and adding it the same exact method. Lately I have been doing is going back and forth with the crease with two eyeshadow colors. If you want an in-depth video on how to do that, because a lot of people ask me close and personal, like if you're local, they always ask me how do you add like 3 or 4 eyeshadows in one eye look. And usually I'm just only okay with 2. But if you guys want me to do like an in-depth video on how to do that, then let me know in the comments, or I will have a poll in the community section. I do post a lot in that little area as it is. So guys want me to do that, like this video. So currently I'm going to be, I thought about adding green first, but the green did not really turn out the way I wanted it to turn out. I just wanted to show you guys in the video it was not really vibrant like I thought it would be. And I go in with the Royal palette from BH Cosmetics and add the black. So I just turned, like at first it was going to be a bright look, and then I just basically like, you know what, forget it, and I just went in with a black and made it a smokier look. But I really like how the black looked on my eyes, so I am planning on doing a smoky eye video soon. But I kind of did like how the black looked on the eyes. But yeah, I'm going to use a smoky eye look instead of the colorful bright look that I was going to do. I'm going to use the black, and I'm going to use the same exact brush that we have been using, and I've been cleaning it off with the little brush cleanser that I've been using. You can use no water with that cleanser. You can just use straight up whatever you got and just apply the brush to it. It is so cool. So I'm just going to take and apply it to the lid, and then I'm going to cut the crease using the Morphe concealer. After cutting the crease, I'm going to go in with this nice icy teal blue periwinkle color from the BH Cosmetics Royal eyeshadow palette. These are one of my favorite eyeshadows out of that palette. It's so amazing and it's so unique. And then I went in with the teal from the eBay 180 palette, and I went in and connected right next to the teal. And I kind of really like how I chose these 2 colors overall, because I felt like they were so beautiful on the lid, you guys. And then after that, I'm going to smoke out the crease with the black eyeshadow and pop on lashes and everything, and I should be done. And after that, I'm going to go off camera and come back with a beef face. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to do the lips. And I'm going to take the Wet n Wild lipstick and make Color Icon Lip Pencil and Shimmer Brown. And then I'm going to be going over it with the Aaliyah Matte Lip Gloss from the Matte collection of Aaliyah, the singer, and Brooklyn Born.